gang, what up? What up? I'm back here walking my dog, but it's currently 12 p.m. this time. 12 p.m. It's midday. I know I started this late today, but you know, gotta get this shit done though. I'm rocking my Air Max 97s today, and just walking here because literally yesterday I was walking here and my white shoes was covered with dust. So you know, I wanna rock these beaters today. You know what I mean? Chow, what the fuck is this place, bro? Bro. Nah, bro. Do not go there, bro. Rocky. Yeah, my dog. What up, Rocky? Rocky. Yeah, but man, the thing here is with these vlogs, or whatever you want to call it, I just want to show you the raw reality of, you know, a day trader. I'm 17 for the new people out there. I started day trading 3 years ago, and I've been profitable for 1 year, but you know, that account is just growing. But the thing here is, it wasn't always like this. It wasn't always like being profitable. I was fucking flipping burgers. I was passing funded accounts just to grow my live account. And now I have 1K days. Literally last week it was 2x. And yesterday we had a winner. I made $600. But I gotta say, man, it wasn't always like this. Because the day trading niche, whatever you want to call it, I see it all the time trending on social media. But the real profitable people, those who stay, will make money. But it's like a trend, you know. People just get on and leave. Just like, look what happened with dropshipping. Dropshipping, everyone used to talk about it, but nobody talks about it anymore. I mean, yeah, some people, yes, but you know, those who stay will get paid. You know what I mean? Those who stay get paid. It's time, man. It's time for you to lock in, bro. But hey, man, I'm just here chilling. Literally, the New York Stock Exchange the New York Stock Exchange is gonna open literally in 4 hours, probably. And then I'm gonna take a trade live. But you know, I'm just chilling here. This is my life. This is my dog, Rocky. And bro, I don't normally record these kind of videos, but you know, comment down below what you think about these kind of videos, because this is something new and it's summer, man. So I wanna, you know, try something new. I mean, probably like 2 months ago I recorded one day in the life. Now I'm back. But I also do record these educational bangers, so I'll make sure everybody learns, because you know, everybody deserves a chance to learn how to make money in these markets. Yeah, bro, one thing I do want to say to you guys, most of the people in trading industry, in any industry, they believe that the markets owe them something. Like, look, man, these markets, they don't owe you anything. Nothing will be handed out to you in this life, especially money, bro, unless you have like a rich family, but most of y'all do not have, and you will not be handed money. So you gotta take the money from the markets, you know. That's what I do. YouTube, do not get me wrong, bro. I swear if this shit gets banned, no, I mean like these fucking currency markets, these stock markets. I trade nowadays only the stock index, US 500 or ES for the people who trade in the United States. That's the same thing. But guys, these markets, they do not owe you anything. They just want to take your money, so you gotta take their money. And look, man, these markets, they don't care if you have a family to feed. They don't care if you have a wife. They don't care if you have a kid. They don't care if you have a mortgage to pay. They don't care anything, bro. They don't care about you. Their only goal is to take your money. These brokerages, they want to take your money. These prop firms, they want to take your money. And that's their main mission. So your main mission is to take their money. You feel me? You gotta take their money. Damn, it's windy. A little bit rainy. but we're still here. Look, man, I'll give you this one advice. If you want to achieve something, bro, whatever is it, like, do you want to get the gains? Do you want to get money? Do you want to, whatever you want to do, bro? You want to be profitable in trading? Then you gotta fucking surround yourself with people who have the same ambition and goals. That's how it goes, bro. That's how it goes. Okay, let's say you do not have access to those kind of friends, okay? What you gonna do then? Like, for real, like, there's unlimited options. You can fucking listen to podcasts of people who have the same mindset. You can listen to music of the people with the same mindset. You can watch videos of the people with the same mindset, like me. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. That's how it goes, bro. That's how it goes. What up, what up? I'm at home, man. You know what time it is? Now I'm gonna edit some bangers. Gonna check it's gonna be good. And I'm smacking this shit right here. Yes, sir. Alright. That's what's up. And then I'm gonna do a workout, you know. You know what's up, gang. Alright, guys. Let's press render. Boom. And like that. The video is done. And this is done. And you know how it goes. Now I'm gonna do some workouts, you know. And I'm gonna hit you guys up after that shit, okay? Alright, man, just finished up working out. Now I'm gonna take like a 3-minute shower. And then eat some food. You know how it goes. Yo, what up, man? I'm back from the shower. I got the power. Yeah, late night shows during that hour. Okay. Now, literally, guys, hold on. Let me check the time. Okay, looking good. Let me actually check the time. Okay, in 4 minutes, it's about to be 4 p.m. And yeah, guys, then what's up? What's gonna happen in 20 minutes, I'm gonna start the live stream with the Discord. I'm gonna live trade. First, I'm gonna check the daily buys, and after that, we're looking for a trade because today, finally, man, the first day of the week that we don't have news that we have to wait for. You know, New York Stock Exchange open, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I know in my time it's not that early. I wish it was, but you know, what can we do? You know, we had news every day on 10 a.m. Eastern time, but today finally, man, we don't have. We have only unemployment claims, which was literally 8 a.m. Eastern time, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, which is fine. You know, we're gonna trade after that. We're gonna trade New York Stock Exchange open. You know how it goes. Stock indexes. You know how we go, man. All right. I'll see you then. I'll update you guys. What's up? Let's get it. Bro, guys, you know what's crazy about the trade that I took today? Look, yes, I knew the bias. I knew it was going to go down. But the bias was correct. The price was correct. The trend was correct. The liquidity sweep was correct. Everything was correct. However, me personally, I got stopped out from this consolidation. But you know what's crazy? The people who took the trade with me inside the Discord got fucking paid. That's literally so crazy because I lost money, but they made bread. I eat this loss. This was a loss, guys. You guys see this. I want to make sure that you guys understand. I take losses too. First loss of the month in 2 weeks, and here it is. But at least the Discord got paid. Okay, I'm happy for that. Anyways, guys, now I'm gonna head outside, grab some fucking air. I'ma see some friends really soon. Say what's up. I get the fresh J's on me, the watch on me, accessories on me. What up, homie? I'ma head outside right now. Nah, I'm just playing, bros. But now I'ma head outside. I'll see you really soon. Alright, guys, what's good? I'm back. Just came home, but you know what's funny? This is what happened to the price afterwards. Literally, everything was correct. However, consolidation took me out. But you know, no excuses, guys. I take the loss like a G. And I'm actually pretty happy because I followed my risk management. I followed my trading plan. I didn't lose much money. And people got paid. except for me today. Okay, but yeah, that was the trade, and that was the video for the day. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay. Psh.